Why burning bush? Our church is called Burning Bush based on the story in Exodus chapter 2, 3, and 4. How God used a bush to get Moses' attention. God will always use bushes if you're available. A bush is not a beautiful flower nor a big tree. A bush is a cluster of nothing. And if God can use a bush, He can certainly use us. And that is why we're called Burning Bush. He can certainly use all of us. For more times regarding our services, you may contact us via Facebook or phone us on the number listed. God bless you.